My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Fans don't come out to come drag Ebuka for intimidating Cassia during the live eviction show today. And also, Onyeka fans don't disgrace themselves over the way they take evict her sister wey be Chizoba, and fans don't come out to come call their names. So today, they do the live eviction show. People wey be say they up for eviction this week was Ben, Topher, Surge, Kelly Ray, Cassia, Victoria, Sean, and Ben. They can't evict Ben and Chizoba, where two of them be boyfriend and girlfriend for inside the house. So from wetin we don't see so far, if there's a noise making fan base this year na Chizoba, before I say Chizoba, Onyeka fans, they're not allow person hear word. When I remember say earlier this week, a few days ago, Cassia, Victoria, and Onyeka they fight, they quarrel where, and this same week, Onyeka don first quarrel with her sister wey be say be Chizoba, wey be say she go gossip about her sister for back and that. So the fan base now they vex for Chizoba, they not come vote for the girl, rather they go carry their vote go give the man wey be say Onyeka dey in love with, which is Ozzy. Imagine a fan base leaving a sister go vote for man. Now that I don't know whether na emotional intelligence they lack or na empathy they lack. I don't know what they really sup with those people, but this is the first time in the history of Big Brother where a fan base collectively just dey I not go say foolish, I just say dull. Make una just listen to how some people take react to this thing wey be say Onyeka fans do.
Of fools, idiots, motherfuckers, motherfuckers, all of you, motherfuckers, money, you all should be ashamed of yourselves. Bunch of idiots, you don't have sense. From where to where now? Where to where? You guys, you don't even have empathy. You are very stupid people. Onyeka fans, I will come into your DMs. I will drag all of you. I will insult you. Fools, idiots, motherfuckers. I don't even know what to say. I am so angry. You guys deserve everything that you are going through at this point. Very senseless people. I am really sad that some of you are being avis. You are very stupid. All the being avis in that fan base, you should be ashamed of yourselves. Stupid idiots, wahala, foolish. In fact, God will punish you. In fact, I don't even know what to say. I'll be back.
Calm down. That's too low. Ebuka, you can speak.
So una don't hear them now. That's why they tell una people wey be say they only shout say one e dey desperate, one e do this one. Nobody desperate reach Onyeka for this season. I see they talk at it tomorrow. Nobody comes close. Imagine a whole fan base voting for a man where they in a serious relationship instead of their fave sister. Chai! What did this checkers fans no know be say this thing now go affect Onyeka again, because Onyeka now go dey feel intimidated inside there. She go dey feel say they no get fan base for her sister to take go. They're supposed save Chizoba'S so that at least Onyeka will get a little bit of assurance say where she's doing something right inside the house. But this one will say they don't foolishly go vote for man, leave their fave sister. Only God will help Onyeka for inside that house right now. So onto Cassia matter today with Ebuka. Ebuka come out and ask question. He asks about the fight wey be say happen between Cassia, Onyeka, and what be her name? Victoria. First, before he go Cassia side, he first drag TJ. According to what TJ talk, TJ they claim to say Biggie said the ships for inside the house must end. Ebuka come put am to rant to say why you talk like that, not wetin Big Brother tell you. So the guy can't just explain to say where saying just talk am as an interpretation of Biggie's instruction to focus on the game. Saying that the way he take interpret wetin Biggie talk, can I be that? So Ebuka come go where Cassia dey. He come tell Cassia to say why Cassia think to say Onyeka closeness to the twins na all strategy. So you all know, to be honest, Cassia no dey really sabi answer questions. Unlike her husband wey be say be Kelly Ray, that one dey very very smart. He sabi answer questions, but Cassia no sabi. She go just dey laugh anyhow for there. So Ebuka not really give the girl time to take talk anyways, because Ebuka just dey hurry the girl say talk, time is going and all of that. So all those things people come fit us say people they see and see that he intimidate the girl, because when he asks TJ, he asks Victoria and Ozzy questions, they he give them time to talk. Why be say you reach Cassia town, you can't they try to intimidate the girl, they hurry her, they do her say talk now, talk now. So they can't they find the thing said according to their fans, they see the thing they unprofessional of him. This na the first time wey be say I dey see a fan base for the history of Big Brother wey be say dey drag Ebuka. They know they ever drag Ebuka before, but today own it was hot. They even call Ebuka 6 months lawyer the way Cassia take call Onyeka 6 months lawyer. Make we just see how fans react, double K fans react over the way Ebuka take treat Cassia for the live eviction show today. So the first person here say Ebuka is just pained by the 6 months lawyer statement from Cassia, because he also studied law. Come put plenty laughing emoji. Ebuka is also a charge and bail 6 months lawyer. Why we love double K, pray for double K. Some people even they tag him to this particular tweet. Another person come say Ebuka, this one will spell like Ebika. You allowed these two to explain themselves, but kept interrupting Cassia like she was your child or you had an end goal. Embarrassing. Another one say Cassia just said same thing she told Onyeka on the night of the fight. So Ebuka interrogating her harshly makes no difference really. Cassia is always right. Production just wants to stir some more drama. Another person come say Ebuka, if you don't have time, why ask the question? You would have seen that her feelings are valid with what Onyeka told her. You had given her time to explain. Anyways, Cassia remains the star of the show for a reason. Double for the mullah. Me, I not think say Ebuka actually hate Cassia the way people they talk, or they say he talk to her rudely and all of that. You know, say sometimes Ebuka I get the way in they do. You get some people will be safe. For what I don't notice, sha. You get some people will be saying they careful with, like during the Tasha, their before I go say the Tasha, during Tasha time for inside the Big Brother house. Una see the way Tasha they answer question. That get they very rude. So Ebuka they mind the kind things so say ask her. But I still not think to say in do am in a way, because in do am that way because in not like Cassia. So make double K fans calm down a little bit. For me, I want applaud some fan base for the way they take vote. They try away. I talk about the likes of Victoria and Sean. Those two come in together. Their fan base vote for them. They not appear for bottom three. Double K and Cassia, as in before I say double K and Cassia, Kelly Ray and Cassia, the two of them, they up. Their fans vote for them. Like Cassia na the first woman for the history of people that will be say she not campaign, nobody campaign for her, and she still not come up for bottom three. Like, is it that K Squad might be the largest fan base this year? Because the thing they shock me. And they see since they plant us made they vote for Ole Kelly, but Cassia still not come out for bottom three. Like, who can vote for the gay? Not be small thing. If you be like at the feel say this Cassia fan base, fit be like that they cool fan base. Everybody say no, they talk. Now just vote, they always vote. Natoria and Double K fan base una be the real Odogu for this season. As for Ebuka go need to manage the dragging this night for coming for Cassia. So supposed to don't they used to the dragging or anything. Anyways, I hope checkers fans go learn from the way the unity where be say they between Double K fans and Shatoria fans. Una take care, una bye.